city burned down, smoke cries where they was crowned. But I and I don't want for Rome. Me spirit chant let Zion come. Me dig the ground with bare hand. Me plant the food in blessed land. From broken stone and falling gate, Rasta man build something great. Earth will rise again from fire and ash, shine again through every clash. Babylon fall but roots still strong. Creation sing redemption song. Earth will rise again, green and bright. Sun will heal what was lost tonight. Tell the youth them hold the flame. Can't never sleep, can't still rain. Me hear the cry of elders past. Them whisper holding this too shall last. Me not build back what caused pain. Me sow in peace, I reap in rain. Me teach the little ones they craft. To love the side, to build, to laugh. Me now wait on a savior throne. We rise together stone by stone. Yeah, when the empire crumble and crash, me still got the seeds in my stash. Me still got firewood, drum and art. Me still got love to take we start. They move by greed, they rule by grace. They build with guns, we build with bass. The forward we treat drum and pen. To chant the word, earth rise again. Earth will rise again from fire and ash, shine again through every clash. Babylon fall but roots still strong. Creation sing redemption song. Earth will rise again, green and bright. Sun will heal what was lost tonight. Tell the youth them hold the flame. Can't never sleep, can't still rain. The backyard with healing hand. Not just house but overstand. The tree grow tall, the river clear. Me see a future coming near. Earth will rise again. Yes I, yes I. Rise again from fire and ash, to shine again through every clash. Babylon fall but roots still strong. Creation sing redemption song. Earth will rise again, green and bright. Sun will heal what was lost tonight. Tell the youth them hold the flame. Can't never sleep, just still rain. Earth will rise again from fire and ash, to shine again through every clash. Babylon fall but roots still strong. Creation sing redemption song. Earth will rise again, green and bright. Sun will heal what was lost tonight. Tell the youth them hold the flame. Can't never sleep, just still rain. Green and bright again. Yes I, yes I. Green and bright. Truth will rise again. Green and bright.
We've been through fire, we've been through flood. Me wash me soul in suffering blood. But still me stand, still me chant. Me never give up the warrior walk. Them try to break me with law and shade, but me roots grow deeper in a pain. No call on Jah, no hold the faith. Now me step through Zion gate. From the ashes, I rise again. Lifted high by Jah and pen. Scars are marked, but soul still clean. Truth and fire make me clean. From the ashes, I find my voice. Now be silent, I rejoice. Every tear now feed the flame. Out of ruin I reclaim my name. Me lose no way, me lose some friends, but truth bring life to start again. My mother say, child, don't cry. Sometimes chant you down for bill I. Now my heart beats stronger still. Me climb every mountain, bend every hill. Me not rich, but me have soul. Me walk with love, me step bold. Them see ashes, but me see seed. Every last plant I just did. The fire test me, me never yield. Now me stand tall in Zion field. Me not boast, me give thanks. Jah lift me up from wicked drunks. So me chant in a dance and chant on street. The life a song, my words are beat. Beat, 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 beat. Beat, 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 beat. From the ashes, I rise again. Lifted high by Jah and pen. Scars not to conquer but to heal. My love deeper than pain can feel. My joy simple a morning breeze. My truth steady like ancient trees. So when you feel you break apart, remember Jah live in every heart. You touch your eyes, just wait and see. Jah make gold from misery. Me lost no way, me lose some friends, but truth bring life and start again. My mother say, child, don't cry. Sometimes Jah tear down for build a eye. Now my heart beats stronger still. Me climb every mountain and every hill. Me not rich, but me have soul. Me walk with love, me step bold. Them see ashes, but me see seed. Every last plant righteous deed. The fire test me never yield. Now me stand tall in Zion field. Me not boast, me give thanks. Jah lift me up from wicked trunks. So me chant in a dance or chant on street. Me life a song, my words a beat.
From tiny youth, pain me never speak but always truth. But one night under the full moon sky, me hear Jah voice whispering why. He say wash your soul like river flow. Let the past go, let the healing grow. So me dig deep and soul confess, and water start to clean the mess. There's a river inside, flowing through me, cool and clear like prophecy. Wash away the hurt, the shame, the pride, and leave love strong on the inside. It's a river inside, Jah provide. When I drown, me learn to ride. At every drop, my soul revive. Jah river make I feel alive. Me used to hide, me used to run, but now I face pain and rise like sun. Me let go hate, me let go blame. Me call Jah name, me light reclaim. Each tear a prayer, me not pretend. Every wound a lesson just send. So me sing not for fame or show. Me sing for healing, help love grow. Jah river come, let it flow. In that the silence, that's where you know. No need for preacher, book or gold. Just clean heart and hands to hold. You know weak for feel, strong for cry. Jah give rain as well as sky. So when the storm come, knock you get. Hold firm, Jah never lit. There's a river inside, Jah provide. When I drown, me learn to ride. At every drop, my soul revive. Jah river make I feel alive. Me no need crowd for feel my worth. My roots go deep in a Jah earth. My voice is small but still me sing. From my heart, a healing spring. Jah river inside. Let it flow, let it guide. Yes, a river inside, Jah provide. Me not drown, me learn to ride. With every drop, my soul revive. Jah river make I feel alive. Me no need crowd to feel my worth. My roots go deep in a Jah earth. My voice is small but still me sing. From my heart, a healing spring. Let it flow, let it guide. Let it flow, let it guide.
Earth's connected, deeply reflective, perfect for souls. Riddims on Naya Bingy chant mix. Early morn, rise and walk. Me hear creation start to talk. When I was told which rhythms on I been kings. Why now whisper through the pine bird? Birds and singing holy sign. Me not need no church for kneel before we speak what Babylon conceal. Roots and river, sun and clay, all give praises in them way. The trees still pray when no man chant. The hills still echo what Babylon can't. The river hums your melody true. Creation always sing to you. The breeze blows scriptures through the leaves. The silence speak more than man believes. So me rise each day and listen deep. So this song creation keep. And cut down tree, poison seed, still your presence never flee. Beside the truth the roots dig low, in places that machines can't go. The spirit lift with the center frame. The ground remember every name. They walk with different reverence. Jah creation, all evidence. Me no need cathedral walls. Me temple live where waterfall calls. My sermon come from hummingbird. The sound and whisper not overheard. We eat from the land, we chant with the trees. My humble self cause Jah bless me knees. Me not forget that earth is home. So me plant with love, make Eden bloom. Bloom, 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 bloom. Bloom, 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 bloom. The trees still pray when no man chant. The hills still echo what Babylon can't. The river hums your melody true. Creation always sing to you. The breeze blows scriptures through the leaves. The silence speak more than man believes. So me rise each day and listen deep. So this song creation keep. So if you're lost and can't hear clear, go to the roots, Jah always near. Put ear to ground and close your eyes. You hear your voice beneath the skies. Let the trees still pray through you. Let the sky declare what's true. In the silence, learn to see. Jah live in you, Jah live in me.
Open with fire in my hand, I see the storm before it rise. I feel the weeping for the cries. So the horn for all who sleep. The hour near a judgment deep. Then dress evil in fancy name, but your light reveal the shame. I am the watchman calling out truth. One voice rise from the burning youth. Time can't wait, no time for fear. Your message loud and I'll make it clear. I am the watchman guarding the gate, warning the people before too late. When trumpet blow, fire come down like river flow. Them leaders smile but backed in vain. They speak sweet but full of shame. Beside the mark we know the sign. We not drink wine if it ain't divine. So we chant with heart of steel. Tell them truth they can't conceal. Rasta don't play no Babylon part. We stand strong with lion heart. Yo, watchman, they want to water. Chanting judgment for Babylon fall. We build them kingdom and stand and fraud. But I stand firm with your God. We don't need God, we don't need crown. We only need word song, power song. So sound the alarm, let wicked flee. Just soldier rise eternally. I am the watchman calling out truth. One voice rise from the burning youth. Time can't wait, no time for fear. Your message loud and I'll make it clear. See fire behind the hill. Them laughing now but soon get still. I knock the drum, I chant the song. So this word my grip is calm. So if you hear then heed my cry. Jah not sleep and time soon fly. Who will stand when justice come? Who will dance to the judgment drum?